Hello, everyone. Welcome to the cleaning video. Today, I'll teach you 5 homemade and natural cleaning product recipes that you can make at home with simple and cheap ingredients. In addition to being healthier for you and the environment, these homemade solutions also help save money. So, grab your materials and let's get started. Recipe number 1, Natural Glass Cleaner with Vinegar and Water. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. Just mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and shake well before use. Vinegar is a natural degreaser that helps remove stains and fingerprints from glass, leaving it shiny and scratch-free. Recipe number 2, Multi-Purpose Disinfectant with Lavender Essential Oil. To make this disinfectant, you'll need half cup of alcohol, half cup of white vinegar, 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil, and water. Mix all the ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well. This natural disinfectant is safe to use on any surface in the house, leaving a fresh and clean aroma. Recipe number 3, Floor Cleaner with Lemon and Baking Soda. This recipe is especially good for removing tough stains on tile or porcelain floors. Mix 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 2 liters of hot water. Apply the solution to the floor with a mop and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Baking soda helps remove stains and lemon leaves a fresh aroma. Recipe number 4, Homemade Laundry Detergent with Baking Soda, Borax, and Soap Bar. This laundry detergent is easy to make and is a healthier alternative to commercial options. Grate a soap bar on a grater and mix with 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of borax. Store in an airtight container and use as you would with commercial laundry detergent. Recipe number 5, Toilet Cleaner with Baking Soda and Vinegar. To make this natural cleaner, pour half cup of baking soda into the toilet and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then, pour half cup of white vinegar into the toilet and let it bubble for a few minutes. Scrub the toilet with a toilet brush and flush to rinse. This solution is safe for use in eco-friendly toilets and helps remove stains and unpleasant odors. So, there you have it, 5 homemade, natural cleaning product recipes that you can make at home. As you can see, it's easy and economical, and you don't need toxic chemicals to keep your home clean. I hope you enjoyed these cleaning tips and tricks. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos. Until next time, guys.